Hello Hornets, it is I. For today's DIY lava lamp activity, you will need canola oil, vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring. I would also like to encourage you to invite a sibling or relative as your audience. My audience and project supervisor today is Ariel the Fierce. Our first step is to mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water. Our next step is to measure 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. Following the vinegar, you want to measure 1 cup of canola oil. That cup of canola oil will then be placed in a clear glass of your choice. Make sure that you get every single drop or this project will not work. Just kidding, you don't need every drop. Add the vinegar on top of the oil and follow with 8 drops of food coloring. Your last step is to add the baking soda and water to the cup. Enjoy your new homemade lava lamp. Try this project in different colors, but be sure to use the proper measurements, because if you don't, this will happen and you will have vinegar and oil all over your surface. Urban art projects will be posted on our Instagram page every Friday. Enjoy, Hornets.